here for the fridge?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'll call you back, okay?
Wait. So we're having an issue with the vegetables freezing in the drawer here.
All right, well, let me get this out of here.
Wait, be careful.
It's plastic, it's fine.
The countertop's really expensive.
Okay. Well, honestly, none of that stuff looks frozen. More than likely, you probably just got an electronic control issue, and I'm gonna have to order that part.
How long will that take?
Your guess is as good as mine. Usually somewhere between like 10 to 14 days.
10 to 14 days. I'm hosting a wedding, and I need the refrigerator working. That's not acceptable.
I'm sorry, but my office is just gonna have to give you a call when those parts are in.
Alrighty then. Well, while you're here, can you look at the dishwasher? Because I'm having an issue with that as well.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, and if you could put this away. Thanks.
So the other issue we're having is the dishes. They're not drying at all.
Yeah, these ones don't really dry the way they used to. Plus, you got pretty cold water. I can take a look at it, but it's out of warranty, so it'll cost you.
Well, if it costs, then we're not interested in paying
Okay,
anything.
well, I've got another call to go to, so my office, they'll call you about the fridge, okay?
Oh, okay.
Well, on to the next one.
Alright, well,
See ya.
I wonder if I should call another service company. Hello?
Hi, Miss Cummings. This is Mark with Whirlpool Factory Certified Care. Yeah, I'm just leaving my last job and I'm on my way to you now, and I'll be there in about 20 or 30 minutes. Sound good?
Okay, sounds great.
Great.
See you then.
See you then.
Thank you. Hey.
Hi, Miss Cummings. I'm Mark with Whirlpool Factory Certified Care. I'm here to take a look at the refrigerator. Do
Okay.
you mind if I come in?
Great.
Excellent.
How are you?
I'm well.
Good.
How are you?
So we're basically just having an issue with the vegetables freezing in the drawer here.
Okay, well, it's possible you have a thermistor issue, so we'll go ahead and we'll put it in diagnostic mode and we'll see what you have going on.
Okay, perfect.
All right. Okay, well, your diagnostics show that you have a bad thermistor. And so basically what we're going to need to do is order a new part for you, and when we get it back out here, we'll be able to get you all straightened out.
Okay, great.
Awesome. Is there anything else you need me to take a look at today or anything?
Actually, yes, the dishwasher.
Okay, let's do it.
So I'm having a problem with this stuff here. It's not draining out. The dishes are still dirty. They're not dry.
Okay, well, you may have a problem with your rinse aid dispenser or even the dispenser door. Well, all right, so it looks like you have a bad dispenser assembly. I might have that part out in my van. Let me go take a look, and I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Awesome. So I took a look in the van, and we do have the part. If you give me just a couple minutes, I'll go ahead and I'll get it put in for you, and you'll be all set.
Okay, great.
My pleasure. Okay, we installed the dispenser assembly, ran a test cycle. Everything looks great. So if you just have a couple seconds, I'd like to explain something else to you.
Okay, perfect.
Great, thank you. Okay, so I've confirmed your model and serial number. Is this your correct email address here?
Yep, that's correct.
Great. Next week, KitchenAid is going to be sending you a survey. This is a sample of what it's going to look like, and it's rating me, the technician, not the appliance. So if you don't mind filling it out, I'd really appreciate it.
Okay, I will.
Great. That's it for today.
All right, sounds good.
All right. Well, all right, Miss Collins. We'll go ahead and we'll get that thermistor on order so that we can get those frozen vegetables taken care of, and we'll see you on the 14th. Sound good?
Perfect.
Excellent. Take care.
Thank you.